It's the time to get down.
You missing the point.
Can we get to hot picks?
Oh,
yeah,
man.
I'm gonna give you some music
the
now.
Lecture
You know why the started. Y'all started
the
this one.
lecture circuit is
I know.
over, man.
Let's hear about the recording process that's used by this group that I'm about to play you a track that we listened to yesterday. Listen up. Oh, excuse me.
Titled. And we actually had an original EP that we released in 2010 that we were just kind of giving out at shows that we recorded here. And it was just a little demo project that we did in my studio just to kind of get the initial sound of the band out there. And after about a year of playing shows and promoting that material, we decided that we needed to step it up and really release something at a higher, more professional caliber in terms of production and how we went about the recording. And that's when we linked up with Music 180, who really helped us understand not only the process that we needed to undertake in order to create a good professional recording, but they helped us kind of rebrand the band, so to speak, and helped us understand how to map out the image for the band and have that correlate to the new recording. So that was a wonderful experience, and they ended up linking us up with a producer named Stephen Miller, fantastic Grammy Award-winning producer who's worked with artists like Pink and Dave Matthews and Jack Johnson and a lot more that I can't think of right now. And he brought us into a fantastic historic recording facility called Ocean Way in Hollywood. Everyone from Michael Jackson to Radiohead to the Rolling Stones have recorded there. So it was really, really a phenomenal experience being able to record the music that was most personal to us in such a historic room. That definitely contributed to, I think, the outcome of the recording and the excitement that we were able to capture while performing that material live in Ocean Way. Working with Stephen was definitely a new experience for us because we hadn't worked with a producer before, but it helped us understand how to craft songs for recording purposes so that essentially we're conveying our sound in a way that is most accessible for the listeners out there. And it was a pleasure learning about kind of how to recraft some of the songs we had previously written, just to make really minor adjustments here and there to make them, kind of go from 90% to 100%, so to speak, in a recorded format. So Stephen Miller definitely brought a lot to the table with respect to the new EP, and we're so happy that you all get to hear it, that it's out and been released.
Yeah. Now let's take a little listen to this band that I saw at the House of Blues. Remember? Okay, let me try to show you that real quick. I saw them at the house. Yeah, I went unnamed girl, whatever.
Excuse me.
I don't know if she's a girlfriend. Whatever I have,
Just call her. Let's just call her
girlfriend.
Oh.
See, to me, you get to self-appoint.
Your friend, your lady.
She doesn't want to be called friend.
Well, you know what, Mario?
She doesn't want to be called friend.
Girlfriend and lady.
She doesn't want to be called friend.
What does she want to be called? Your lady.
She could introduce me as boyfriend the other
woman.
night.
Hi, this is my boyfriend. And what did you say? Hi, this is my friend.
No, I didn't say anything because I know better.
I like saying this is my man.
Whoa.
That's what she
Either
likes.
way, you claiming ownership. Who says you get to self-appoint?
Oh, you said, man.
Who gets to self-appoint? I said I was single.
But Mario, let me
You
ask
are
you
not
something.
single.
I am. I was. All of a sudden, I'm supposed to not be single because they said so.
Well, I know Mario's gonna show this video, but Mario, I think you should already give in because you know you slipped up at least 4 times
What?
yesterday.
Okay.
4 times.
Absolutely. If she spent the night more than 3 times a week, she's a woman.
Check it out. This is from the House of Blues in the Foundation Room. Mics are up. Huh? I mean, what? What do you say? Hey, Max said they're gonna be on his show, right? Is that what Mac is talking about?
All right, Mac.
So this, I'm just showing you what I shot at the House of Blues before I show you the other video because I want you to see. I was posting this from. I was working my phone.
You can keep the beat too. Rocking up and down. Good thing that guy stayed out the way. I know this
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm just showing you the stuff from the House of
Right.
Blues because I'm about to show you their actual track. I want you how they can change their vibes. Look at the DJs jamming. He's sound man.
I learned to fall, refuse to fall. I give all, I risk it all. I never play all, but I can fool when I'm happy. I fall in love, junkie girl. I pursue when I'm convinced I found someone who's true. I'm always hoping I'm ready for someone to stay. Take all my emotions, take all my demands, to tell me that he loves me, to take me as I am. Take all my devotion, take me by the hand, tell me that you love me, take me as I am.
All right. Now, let's take a look. That was what I posted on Facebook. Let's close that up to Mixcraft. And let's go back and take a look at The Endangered. We're going to play that track that I actually did play yesterday because it's their most polished piece. Really, really a hot track. Calling on You is the name of the track. Here we go.
My face is finally dry from the weight of my tears. My dreams were interrupted by the sum of my fears. So please send me some love. I will keep waiting. Stop on by. I keep praying, 'cause the weight is breaking my shoulders. I find myself calling on you, calling on you. I keep calling on you, calling on you. Yes, I have been surrounded by broken opportunities. Every failure leaves me mystified and down on my knees. So please send me some love. I will keep waiting. Stop on by. I keep praying, 'cause the weight is breaking my shoulders. Please strengthen my spine. My faith is running out on empty. Stop on by. Come and tell me what to do. I'm calling on you. Give me unshakable faith like only your love was meant to do. I'm swimming upstream. Oh, and the weight is killing me. I keep calling on you. And unmistakable love is something that I can't hold on to. Keep shining on me. 'Cause I still believe your love will set me free. Whoa, I find myself calling on you, calling on you. I keep calling on you,
Yeah, the sound of the endangered. LA local. Yeah, the endangered. I want you to know, Speed Girl took me to the House of Blues. Because Abraham, I think his first name is James. I think that's his name. Right here, the bass, this brother right here. She knew him. And so Speed Girl, I guess she went to...
What's her name?
She's anonymous.
So what are you calling her?
Speed Girl.
Speed Girl, okay.
Don't ask me why, because that gets everything she thinks is a clue to her personality. I told her, no one cares. No one cares. They're not trying to figure it out. They're gonna go. You said Speed Girl. They're gonna say, well, Speed Girl. I said they don't care. They really don't care.
She's another one in hiding.
Yes, she's another person in hiding.
Why do you try?
I said, if you date me, you might get seen, but whatever. Anyway, so Speed Girl took me to the House of Blues.
Mario got a girlfriend.
This is cold.
You don't get. I'm not sure you get to self-appoint that again. I'm not sure if you get to just declare yourself like, here I am. Okay, anyway. And so she introduced me to them, and I got a chance to talk to them and say hi to them after the end of the show. They're all talented people.
They seem very real.
Yeah, and they're really down to earth and stuff. So we got to have them on the show. We got to have them on the show. So we're planning to have that soon. Oh, then we have more technical.
Yeah.
More technical difficulties.
Well, it says it's going okay. You know, I have to just, you guys, everything's acting weird. You know, some of that is the connections coming in and out. So we're going to have to, that affects what I can do here also.
Well, yeah.
All right?
Does that mean people can't hear you?
No, well, right. I'm fixing it.
Oh, we're connected. No, we're not. We were just a second ago.
Something it's megabyte.
It's probably not even us. It's probably
No,
them.
that's not us.
That's them out there.
Yeah, that's them.
They could disconnect us at any point and any
They
time.
can. They're all powerful.
Boo.
All powerful.
Oh, yeah, it's hitting everywhere.
It's everywhere.
Sometimes it's related to the heat, leading to electrical things.
It was pretty hot
Leading
yesterday.
to
Did you guys
outages.
experience
It was 100 and I think 1 or 3.
Okay. Did you guys
So we're
experience
experiencing all that here to ourselves.
Well, it's sometimes it's kind of cool to just see black and hear a voice.
So
what's going on?
what's
So
going on?
Close
just
your
the
eyes.
voice coming out
Close
of the
your
blackness.
eyes.
That's right. That's
That
what you
is
guys
Now
see.
keep your mouth open.
Shut up, Mark. I can't hit myself.
I'm just gonna tickle you.
Shut
It is
up.
cool sometimes to
Yes.
just see black.
Yeah,
and
forget
hear
about your-
sound.
That's why face in the
Visual.
pillow.
Shut up. Using your audio senses.
That's what I'm saying.
Open up your earlobe.
There you go.
Okay.
I'm gonna use
Close your
that.
eyes.
Close your eyes.
Relax.
Face in the pillow.
Or something even better than that. Shut up, Mario. Imagine what we could be doing. Now this
There you
even gets
go.
fun because you don't really know what we're
Ooh,
doing.
little
over
games,
here.
huh?
But you hear our voices and you try to imagine, DeVoe talking with her hands and
Nah.
Mario
Right.
over there fiddling with those knobs.
Looking at the camera.
Now we're playing imagination games. This is like Lifetime television.
It's a little extra. too,
Yeah, this is that
No
whole feminine
extras,
thing.
something.
It's like softcore porn.
No, it's not.
It's like a lot of kissing and all over the face and shit.
None of
I
that.
love you, and I love you, and I love you,
That sounds horny.
and I love you. They never say that in my love scene. No, yeah, they do.
Stop it.
Ooh.
Oops.
Okay, I'm trying to see what. Meanwhile, the question becomes as it relates to the live stuff.
Okay.
How
Well,
far we go on because I have to dramatically change everything.
well we are
if we
dramatic
can't-
change anyway,
they don't
aren't
see
we?
us. Nothing's happening right now. They don't see us.
Now I could tell
Yeah.
everybody. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go see if I can do anything on my side just to make sure.
Yeah, it's a draw.
The master.
Yeah, so maybe we should can you
Because
play
we're
some
supposed to
music
have
for
a-
them or something?
No, that's the whole point.
Not even music,
If
huh?
we played music for them, we could.
He can do it. He's our
can do the
man.
show.
If he can't do it, nobody can.